Hi there, this is a tutorial to help you understand how to use the caloric calculator. This tool was developed by a team of researchers at Columbia University, and it allows you to see how various interventions can help us turn around the childhood obesity epidemic that we see in this country today. Let's get started. Just click the Try the Calculator button here or the Calculator tab at the top. Rather than focusing on individual weight loss, the tool gives us an idea about how certain policy and environmental changes might impact obesity at the population level. First, select the population that you are interested in. For example, for middle school boys, I would select boys on the sex drop-down and middle school on the age group drop-down. Right underneath, you will see national statistics on the population. You can see that in 2009 through 2010, the average weight for a middle school boy was 129 pounds, and 18% of them were obese. Obesity occurs when energy in exceeds energy out. You can see that in order for them to return to the level of obesity that we saw in 2000, they need to cut 109 kilocalories per day. To return to the levels of the early 1970s, more needs to be done, 237 kilocalories per day. We can achieve this by either reducing unnecessary calories or increasing physical activity. So next, let's look at the three categories of interventions. The first set of interventions are from adding physical activities. You can add interventions like walking, jogging, or more school physical education time. At the bottom of each intervention, there is a brief description of what it's about. But if at any time you need more information, simply click the More button. Since each intervention is backed by the literature, the More link provides the rationale, references, and limitations to be aware of for each intervention. The next sets of interventions are about improving dietary intake and eliminating excess calories. These include reducing unhealthy food intake through reducing the frequency of eating chips and cookies and replacing sugar-sweetened beverages with water in schools. The last sets of interventions look at reducing screen time as a way to reduce the energy gap, which has been shown to both reduce discretionary calories and increase physical activity. You will notice that there is an icon next to each intervention that tells us about how the intervention works. The blue square represents physical activity. The orange icons tell us whether the intervention is implemented on the individual level or the population level. The green square represents a dietary intervention, and finally the purple square represents TV viewing. That's all you need to know to get started. If you want to see examples, you can click on the video links on the calculator page.